Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance on my own. The song is On My Schedule, the artist is Chris ARDOIN, and the choreography is no other than the late Queen of Line Dance, CHERYL Williams. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. For detailed information about the event, the registration, and the hotel, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. the line dance queen, no other than CHERYL Williams. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.